Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. So today we have a problem before us, okay? And I'm sure many of us have grown under the pressure of this kind of an equation, okay? So here exactly we have to find out values of A and B, and they have given certain prerequisites which we have to follow, that if this is equal to this, okay, we have to find out the values of A and B, and therefore let's go and take a few steps till we find it easier to solve and come out with the answer. All right guys, so let's go and focus on the sum. So since they have given, okay, so as I write, I'm going to explain you also. X is to the power of half, okay, and this has a value of A as its power, which is getting multiplied by y, okay. Dot means multiplication guys, and this has a power of minus 1 by 3, and that has a double power, okay, which is B outside. It is equal to, okay, fourth root of x to the power 8 dot y to the power minus 12. Alright guys, so what do you think should be our first step? What should be exactly our approach? Yes, I feel that we should be going by breaking up this bracket. Okay, so we have half, one power here and one power outside, which means we can, okay, combine them together and write, okay, as half A. Here we do the same and we have this. Remember, these are all powers. Here, since it's a fourth root, can we not write like this? 1 by 4? We can, isn't it? Okay. So, next step would be to copy the left hand side. Alright guys. And this needs a little bit of treatment. And what that would be is, since this is a combined power to both of them, okay, x and y, so can we separately provide them the powers? We can, isn't it? Okay, minus 12 again multiplied by, let me write it very clearly so that you do not have any doubt over them. Correct? Now whenever there is a power given in joint, it means that is applicable to every element inside the bracket. X is one element, y is another, which, okay, exactly I have done. X to the power half A multiplied by y to the power 1 by 3b equals to, now this gets cancelled and I have an x to the power 2 here. Alright guys, isn't it? 4 2s are 8, and in this case I have, okay, this a power of minus 3 having cancelled. Correct guys? Now the picture is somewhat clear, isn't it? Now I'm sure you can visualize now, okay, what's coming next. The situation is whenever we have something like this, okay, and since this is the base, and here too we have an x, which means we need to compare the powers. Alright, and for y we do the same. Okay, so minus 1 by 3b will be equal to minus 3. Alright guys, so in a line I'll try and write, okay, that when powers are to be equated, the bases have to be same. Therefore, okay, half a is equal to 2. Okay, also also minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 3. Alright guys, so having done that, okay, we have a equals to, this will go up, 2 into 2, which is equal to 4, and b equals to, okay, minus 3. What about this? Okay, since this has got a minus, okay, it means that we have to carry forward the minus, but this will go to sit on the numerator. Correct? Which means b is equal to minus minus, okay, plus, that is 3 into 3, 9. Hence, my, okay, a equals to 4 and b equals to 9. Alright guys, so this is our answers guys, and if you will substitute here, you will see that left hand side will be equal to right hand side. Thank you guys for watching and giving me your valuable time. If you've liked this video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Have a great day.